to share location directly from Viber. In today's video tutorial, we're going to talk about Viber and how you can send your location to someone using the app. As you're accustomed to, the process is quite simple. You'll need to have the Viber app installed beforehand. Look for the Viber app on your smartphone and tap on it to launch. Select the contact you want to send your location to. The chat window will appear. Click on the three dots at the bottom of the screen. Choose Location. If you get the message like this, just click on Continue. Allow access to your location by clicking on the Access My Location option. Go one step back. Click on Send Location. And there you go, your location has been sent. The receiver needs to click on this message to access your location. Now he can track your real-time location. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and support our work. See you soon!